Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Trading Toolux. In this video tutorial, I will be explaining about the basics of Smart Index 2. After logging into your dashboard, click on the Smart Index 2. By default, you will not be having any charts or any layouts. To get started, you can just browse on these popular layouts. To open any of the chart, just click on the title. So for example, here we are clicking on Nifty Bank Nifty Future. So it opens this layout which is Nifty chart and Bank Nifty chart. So now we will see how to create the charts like this. I will be just covering the basics. In upcoming video tutorial, I will be covering each section in more detail. So just the overview will be given right now. So basically we can see two sections over here. One is chart and another is layout. You can create any number of charts and you can add the charts into layout. Let me show you example. Here we can see this is the layout which has 4 different automatic straddle charts. So if you click on that, you will be able to see. Here we can see Nifty automatic straddle chart, and this is Nifty OTM straddle chart. So likewise this is for Bank Nifty. So this one is one chart, this is another chart, this is another chart, and this is the 4th chart. So all together we can combine into one layout. So that is the difference between the chart and layout. And now let me try to create some chart and show you live example. So here click on this plus button to create new chart. Without any chart, if you are trying to create layout, you will be getting this error. So first let us create the chart by clicking on this plus icon. Now enter the chart name and you choose the chart types. So there is 3 different chart types. So this default chart is for index and Nifty heavyweight and Bank Nifty heavyweights, and also you will be able to add global market, wicks, etc. like that. And option explorer is for creating straddle triangle chart or individual call option, put option of any strikes in Nifty Bank Nifty. And tick by tick is the second by second for index or call IV, put IV, which is automatically plotted based on the ATM. Now let us keep this default chart and let us keep the chart background as none and click on the next. Now you can add the scripts here. So to add the Nifty future, you can click here. To add the Nifty spot, click here. So these are all the scripts available. These are all the heavyweight stocks. These are all the straddle IV, India, VIX, call IV, put IV. So all the stuffs are here. Once you choose the spot here, there will be sections created here. For Nifty future, you can add the plugins like this. Here we can add VWAP. And for Nifty spot, there won't be any VWAP or OI or zones because there is no volume in Nifty spot. For Nifty spot, let us add price action long term. Also for Nifty future, let us add moving average. Now let us change the color by choosing this one. So this is for changing the color, and to change the thickness of the line you can choose here. So Nifty future price is right now white color with thickness of 2. Let the VWAP be in pink color, and let the moving average of 50 be in green, and let the moving average of 100 be in red color. Let us leave the Nifty spot as it is and price action as it is, and click on the finish button. So that's it. Our chart has been created. Now to open this chart, click on here. So click on the name to open the chart in new window. Now you can see the price is updated every second over here, and to disable any of the lines you can click on here. So this one is the Nifty spot. If you click on it, it will hide. To show it again, you click it again. So if you want to disable moving averages, you can disable and enable by clicking on this. So this is pink color is the VWAP, so you can hide and show here. And to disable this price action line, these are all the shortcut. Press the Q key to open the shortcut. So here the long-term price action can be disabled by pressing the L button. So like this, everything is customizable. And to open the settings, click on the settings icon in the bottom left. So it will open the settings here. Here you can choose the time frame. So this is 1 day intraday data. If you want to see 2 days data, you click on this 2. So this brown color line is the gap between yesterday and today, and if you keep 3, so you will be able to see 3 different days, 3 different data. So this is day before yesterday, this is yesterday, and this is today. So and one more thing is, to enable full screen you click on the square icon, or you can press the F key. So it will toggle full screen like this. So these are all the basic thing. Now let us create more chart and let us create some layouts. I forgot to tell one thing, that is zooming and zooming out. So you can use a mouse scroll bar or touchpad swipe up and swipe down to zoom in, zoom out like this, and you can click the mouse and move the chart like this as well. So these are all the options. Also, if you open the shortcut by pressing the Q, you can see here the shortcut of shift up down or shift left right. So this also will zoom in like this. So I am pressing the shift up, now it is shift down, so this is shift right and again shift up. So after that you click on the chart and drag it like this, so you can see the clear view. And again I am swiping up to zoom out. So this is how you can zoom in, zoom out. Also there is another shortcut from 1 to 9, you can zoom in, zoom out. So now I'm pressing the 1, so it is zooming into the nearest position. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can even zoom in like this, so it will be useful when you're scalping. So yeah, that's it guys. This is for zooming and zoom out. Let's proceed now. Now let us create another chart. Click on the plus button. Let us create Option Explorer chart now. So let me choose Option Explorer. Click on the next. Here I have chosen Nifty Straddle and Nifty Spot. There is also custom strikes where you will be able to add the strike like this, but all this video I will be covering in separate video. Now let me just create the automatic chart. So let us keep straddle, Nifty Straddle IV. Let us add price and IV here. So let us keep the thickness 2 and let us finish this off. So that's it. Here this is the chart we have created right now. And this is the Nifty Straddle price. It is 14,650 call plus 14,650 put. So one important thing is, like, if you see the straddle price is also live here. So every second you will be able to see the Nifty straddle price here. So 267, 268. So this is first time in India straddle price is updated every second. So now that we have this straddle chart, let us combine these two different chart into single layout. To create the layout, click on the plus. It is very easy, you just keep any name. Let us keep the background as dark blue. Click on the next. So these are all the different layout you will be able to create. Right now, since only we have 2 different chart, I am choosing this. You can choose up to 8 different, you can create up to 8 different charts and use this layout or this layout as well. So now let us go with the 2. Now click on this and choose the chart name that you have created. So on the top, let us create Nifty Future. On the bottom, let us keep the option chart we have created. So finish it off. Now click on this layout to open the chart. So here you can see this is the chart 1 and this is the chart 2 we have created. So here we can see the straddle price is updating live. Future price is updating live. Right now the time is 3 o'clock. So the market is going to end now. So this is how we create the layout based on the 2 different charts. So other features here are to delete the chart, you can click this delete icon, or to edit this chart you can click on this edit icon. For example, I can click on the edit, change the name again, or you can change the scripts here, or you customize the color here, change the thickness, and you just finish, and it will be automatically renamed and saved in the same chart. So that is what this edit icon is for. To delete the chart, you click on this, it will ask for confirmation, click on OK and it will get deleted. And this plus icon is for cloning the chart. For example, you have some Nifty Future chart, and if you want to create the Bank Nifty Future with the same feature as this, you can click on this plus. So it will ask for the confirmation and it will clone the chart like this. So here you can edit the chart and you can customize whatever you want and save it, and you are getting another new chart by cloning this. Similarly, you can also clone the layout like this. So let me clone this. Here again we will have the same layout and the script chosen. So since it is deleted, this has gone. You can choose another chart and you can finish it off. So yeah, that's it guys. Basically these are all the features, and to get started you can see these are all the different types of possibilities that you can create. So you can create any kind of option charts, straddle chart, triangle chart, open interest chart, whatever you have in your mind, you'll be able to create. It is very highly customizable. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. In the next tutorial series I will be creating 3 different tutorial videos for this 3 different stuffs. So thank you.